Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Get Play Soon. Also, welcome to the 9th episode of Leetcode SQL 50 challenge. In the previous videos, we have solved problems on the select topic and we have solved, we have solved 6 problems on the topic basic joins. Now moving ahead, the next problem that we are going to solve today is students and examinations. Now, in this question student and examinations, we have 3 tables. The first table is students table, which consists of student ID and student name. So this table is like your attendance register. Okay. The next table we have is examinations table. It also have student ID, but it has subject name. So whenever a student attends an exam, so there will be a record in the examination table saying student name and subject name. Many times the person gave the exam in different subjects, those many times student ID will be there. Okay. So those many rows entries will be there. Now moving ahead, we have one more table, that is subjects table. Subject table consists of the subject name. So in that semester, whatever the students are related to, in whichever class it is, those subjects will be there here. I'll show you the table. Yeah, in the students table you can see we have 4 students: Alice, Bob, John, Alex. And in the subjects table we have 3 subjects: maths, physics and programming. Now look at the examinations table. So this is something you need to clearly see. So Alice, that is student ID 1, attended maths exam, physics exam, programming exam, again physics exam, again maths exam, again here maths exam. So this Alice attended the same subject multiple times, and in the examination table you can see multiple subjects also: maths, physics, etc. Similarly, you have 13th guy, that is John, maths, programming, physics. He attended everything. One more thing you need to notice is we have this guy named Alex with roll number 6. With student ID 6, you cannot see any exam, which means Alex did not attend any exam. Okay, so 2 things keep in mind is Alice wrote math once, math twice, Alice wrote math thrice. So a single person might attend the same subject multiple times. The second point you need to remember is here Alex is there. This guy Alex did not attend any exam. You cannot see student ID 6 in this table. So these 2 things you need to keep in mind. Now let's look at the question. The question is, write a solution to find number of times each student attended each exam. Each student means about each and every student. All these 4 students we need to write. And about attended each exam. About each and every exam we need to mention. So they are asking number of times. Even 0 is a number. So even if the guy does not write any exam, that also we need to mention. So each student we need to write, each subject we need to write. So let's see how it happens. So the result table should be like this about all the students. About the first student with all the subjects, second ID student with all the subjects, 6th ID student with all the subjects, 13th ID student with all the subjects. So basically what we are doing is we are cross joining student table and subject table. Okay. After that, the second thing we are supposed to do is you need to count number of times they attended the exam. Here you can see Alex did not attend any exam. So Alex maths is 0, physics 0, programming 0. Earlier we counted Alice attended math exam 3 times, like that. We need to count the number of times also they gave the particular subject. Okay. Now I hope you understood what are all present in the question. Because we have 3 tables, we are going to use a lot of things, like we are using 2 joins, we are using 2 clauses. If you are not aware of all the concepts that we are writing in the code, make sure you watch the previous videos, because we have solved simpler problems in the previous videos that will really help you. Okay. Now let me tell you about the idea. So first things, we need to get a Cartesian product of students and subjects, because here you can see all the students with all the subjects. Alice with 3 subjects, Bob with 3 subjects, Alex with 3 subjects, John with 3 subjects. So we need to get the Cartesian product of these 2 tables, students table and subject tables, because subjects are present here and student details are present here. So we will do Cartesian product for these 2. And the second thing is we need to use the join operation to count number of times that a guy attended. Here 1 math, 1 math, 1 math. So the guy attended 3 times maths exam. So to do that, we need to join operation to count the number of times each student attended each subject exam. And the third important thing here is 6th guy, that is Alex, did not attend any exam. So include 0 attendance. To do that, we will use left join. Why will we use left join is, left join is a part of outer join. So when a table, so consider this as the left table and this is as the right table. So when you take this as left outer table, all the details present in this table will be included even there is no matching. And the right, if there is null also, we can include that. That's why we use left outer table. The same left outer join we used in the previous question, previous video also, previous episode also. So if you have any doubts, make sure you watch in that. Or if you want to revise the concept of join, make sure you watch an episode particularly made on explaining all the joins. I'll pin it in the I button also here. Okay. Now that you understand the 3 things that we are going to do, the first Cartesian product, the second join operation to see number of students the guy attended the same exam, and the third we will see for 0 attendance what we are going to do. For Cartesian product, to understand all the students and all the subjects are there, right? So to do the Cartesian product, we use cross join. This we go from students table. Let's keep the shortcut as yes. Cross join subject table, that is sub. Now the second join that we are going to use is left join. Why do we use left join? Is because it ensures all combination of this Cartesian product that we get from student and subject are retained even if there is no matching with the examination table. Why we are doing this left join? Because a guy who does not attend any exam, any subject exam, he is absent. To do that, we are using this left join. So student cross join subject table, left join examination table. So even though in examination there is no attendance, because it is left join, the left table from this student subject Cartesian product, that is the left table, we can get the null value in the record. Okay. So when we do the join, we'll also have to mention the condition on which basis we are joining the tables. That is using this on keyword. Student ID is equals to student ID in both the tables, where S is students table and E is examination table. And we are using this AND operator here. Remember, whenever we are using this AND operator, which means this condition has to be true and this condition has to be true. So we are using subject name from the subject table and subject name from the examination table. So based on these 2 common columns, we will do this joins. Okay. Now moving ahead, we have to find the number of times each student attended each exam. So to know that, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to count. To do that, we have this count function here. We are counting student ID as attended exams. From where the student ID is coming? From the examination table. So number of times we can count. Just give me a second. In case if there are no matching rows in this examination table, you can see E here, then the count will be 0 due to the left join that we have done earlier. Okay. So here whenever we are using aggregate function like count, add, sum, whatever it may be, we will mention group by. What we are doing in the group by? Student ID, student name from the students table and subject name from the subject table we are grouping. So this group by clause groups the result by student ID, student name and subject name to ensure the count is calculated for each unique combination. So because of this clause, we can understand, yes, all the combinations are calculated. Now moving ahead, we have this order by clause. We are using this order by clause to see the final result by the first by student ID and then by subject name. So you can see everything is in this ascending order, 1 1, next to 2, next to 6, next to 13. So whenever we use order by, it is by default it arranges in the ascending order, or if you want to make it in descending order, you can add the keyword like DESC. We want in ascending order only, so it is by a student ID and subject table, subject name. In the output, what are all the columns we are mentioning? Student ID, student name, subject name, attended exams. Whatever columns you need in the output, you will mention in the select statement. Student ID from the students table, student name from the students table, student name from the subject table, and attended exams column. This attended exams column will be coming from student ID column. In the examination table, we will count and we will write a number of times that so and so person has attended. Okay, so this is how we write this code. I hope you understood every single thing. So till now we have used a simple problems. In this problem we have used two joins, two clauses like group by, order by, and we have used this aggregate function. All together we have used in one thing. So I hope you understood this question. If you have any doubts, make sure you comment below. So that's it from my side. We are done with students and examinations problem also. We are left with two problems in the basic joins concept. We will cover them in the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye bye.